Turn it off. So got it here off the heat. I think that it is ready to sit for the next step.
You take that off and then you can cut this part. Papa. Oh, help Mum.
Good job.
Mum?
Yep.
I'm taking off this part and then you can cut it.
Thanks.
There you go. I'm going to cut that part.
Alright, let's see how reckon that's enough?
There's
Yeah, you can eat those ones.
No, we can't. We need to put it on the pie. Put it on the pie, Mum.
Going to pour
Jelly!
the sugar jelly syrup on top of the strawberries. On top of them. So let's go. Oh, Mom!
Oh! I like it! Ew. Daddy, do you like it?
Papa loves it.
Daddy, do you like it? Yeah. I'm a strawberry pie.
Strawberry pie here. So now we just need to refrigerate it for at least 3 hours or overnight to let the sugar jelly syrup set. And then we get to eat it. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.